Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I am going to teach you how to connect LEDs to breadboard and how to use resistor for it. That is use of LED and use of resistor. Okay, so firstly go on Google and search for Tinkercad. Just open your account. If if your account get log out, I explained you in previous video of Tinkercad how to log into your account or how to make account. You can make account like that. Then after opening Tinkercad, just go in create, click on create option. After this, here you can see components. Click on all components and here search for breadboard. You can see three breadboard. Just choose breadboard small or anyone you can choose. As explained in the basic video of breadboard, these all side power rails are connected like this with each other. As you can see this green line. Also these are connected like this with each other. And this center are called as main rail and they are connected to each other like this. As you can see this green line, horizontal vertical line like this. Same goes for this. So on breadboard you can connect components. Now let's search for your battery. So this is battery. By this you can rotate your battery. Just rotate battery. Take it in like this connection so that it will be easy for. As you can see, there are two terminal in batteries. You can see this is positive, this is negative. So just connect the positive side on the positive power rail, negative side on the negative power rail. It will be easy for you connection. Now let us search for LED. Okay, this is our LED. As you can see here, LED have two legs. You can see this is cathode, this is anode. Cathode is negative lead, anode is positive lead. As I said, you always connect negative that is called cathode to the negative side and anode that is positive to the positive. Now we will see how to connect it. So just connect this LED. This is negative. So take one wire from here and connect in this negative power rail. This is positive. Take one power wire from here, connect in positive power rail. Now these are connection of LEDs and now we will start simulation. Now you will see a simulation is start. You can see here like this is coming. That is our LEDs getting fault or it is getting damaged. If you will click or see scroll on it, it will show current through the LED is 915 milliampere, which absolute maximum is 20 milliampere. So what we have to do in this case? So as explained by you in the resistor video, resistor is a component which is used to control the voltage or current so that our component should not get damaged. In the same way here for our LED to work properly we are going to use resistor. Okay. Now just remove this wire, click on this wire and press delete option. Now go here, search for resistor. This is the resistor. Just rotate like this resistor. Now I will show you how to connect resistor to LED. Connect one end of the resistor with the positive leg of LED, that is our anode, and at another end connect it to the positive, that is supply positive voltage, and to the negative leg of LED, that is cathode, just supply negative current. And let's start simulation. Now you will see that our LED is working properly. It's not showing that it is damaged as it was showing in previous case. Now if you will click, now stop simulation. Now if you will click double click on resistor, here you can change resistor value. Here this is different unit like nano ohms, micro ohms, milli ohms, kilo ohms, ohms, mega ohms, giga ohms. Mostly we will use 1 kilo ohms for resistor, or you can say we can also use nearly 250 ohms also. If we will use 250 ohms also and we will check, then also our LED will work fine. Like this you can use different, you can change different value and you can check on what value our LED is working properly. Let's check on 25. Okay, if you will check on 25, you can see that it still current is more. Okay, like that just change different value and check for our LED. Now we will again take 1 kilo and now we will see that our LED is working properly. So I will just suggest you one thing. If you are using 9-volt battery, always connect resistor so that our components should not get fault, should not get damaged. Because if current or voltage get accessed, then it can damage our component, which can be problem for us. Another option is there. If you don't want to use resistor, just delete everything. Or okay, keep this wire as it is. Positive to positive, negative to negative, and just delete this battery and search here for battery. Battery. Now here see you will have another battery which is 1.5 volt. Take this battery, rotate it, rotate, and here you can invert it. Invert it. From here connect positive of the battery to the positive rail, negative of the battery to the negative rail. Now start simulation. Now you can see that our LED is glowing, but it didn't glow that much. See, this is off, this is glowing, but its brightness is not that much. It is happening because we are using 1.5 volt battery. This battery is not applying sufficient voltage and current that is required for LED to glow properly. Okay, now stop simulation. Now click on this battery. You can see here, you can see the count. So by that you can change how many 1.4 battery you can use. If you will use two 1.4 volt battery, how much it will be? 1.5 plus 1.5, it will be 3 volt. Okay, from here choose 2. Now let's start simulation. Now you will see that if you are using two batteries, that is 3 volt, that voltage is getting so much for our LED. That is again our LED is getting damaged. Now here again we will check for three batteries. If we will check for three batteries, same thing is happening. Okay. So if you will use one battery, our LED will glow but not that much. So you can use two batteries here, and again you can connect resistor. That is search for resistor, and connect resistor as we connected in previous case. Remove this positive wire and connect positive from here to here and start simulation. Now you will see that our LED is working properly and it is glowing. Now if you will extend do three battery also, then also our LED will grow properly. If you will connect four battery also, then also our LED will glow properly. It will not have any issue, that is LED will not get damaged. Okay. So you understand how to connect LED on breadboard and how to use resistor, why to use resistor, why resistor is necessary, and different types of battery, how to connect battery. Okay. Now let's come on summary of today video. Today what I said you, how to connect LED on breadboard using Tinkercad. Firstly, what we saw that if we are going to connect LED directly to our breadboard, then our LED will not work properly. That is, it will get damaged. Then another thing, then I said you how to save our LED from getting damaged. What we did for that, we use resistor. As I said you about resistor, that resistor is a component which will control the flow of current and voltage. I showed you as we will connect resistor, our LED will glow properly, it will not get damaged. Then I show you we can change value of resistance. Then I show you firstly we apply 9 volt battery. Later I showed you what will happen if we will apply 1.4 battery. That is if our supply will be less, you see that LED will not glow fully, it will be little dim. Then we increase voltage. Then again we saw that LED was getting dark. Then we for that we again connect resistor so that you can do some experiment in this Tinkercad. If you are going to do this one, if you don't know this all wall resistor and this all thing in real life, what you will do? You will just take battery, you will connect LED. What will happen? Our LED will get damaged. You will have to buy a new one. It's just time waste and money waste. So for this all thing, we can use Tinkercad. Just use Tinkercad, check simulation, connect LED. Here you connect LED directly. You see what is going to happen. Try for connecting resistor. You see if you connect resistor, our problem is solved. Now same copy, same connection in your real life. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.